Hi, and welcome to the new ScanLab interface. We're so excited to show you this small upgrade that we made to this section of our exams. This is going to be effective in the test by region section, so any exam inside of test by region, as well as any exam that is being taken under a skill assessment or a hiring assessment. So what we've done here in an effort to eliminate the user having to scroll up and down on on their computer screen here, we have moved the answer criteria down to the bottom where the slice configuration box used to be and also still remains. You'll see that up at the top, they still have their progressive bar here that they will get check marks in as they complete the questions. However, now if they want to just stay down at the bottom, they can do that without having to scroll back up. So they have their questions that they can easily flip through if they don't want to go in the order that we have recommended. Their answer criteria over here to the side, which they can change as needed. They'll get their criteria and their reference if they are in a test by region. If they are in a skill assessment or a hiring assessment, as a reminder, these little tips will not be there for them to be able to view. Once they've reviewed their question, they're going to be able to see this slice configuration blinking in orange, and that's their indicator to go over to that tab and plan accordingly. Once they have everything set up, then they can go ahead and hit scan as normal, and they can swap back and forth between these as needed. Once they have completed their setup and they scan their image, they are going to be reintroduced to the next question. So this is automatically going to default back to the next question so they can see what that is. And then their slice configuration again is going to be blinking in orange, reminding them to go back in there and set up their parameters accordingly. One other piece of functionality that we have included in this mini upgrade is a new section here where on this highlighted line, you'll see if you hover over, you've got these rotate buttons that you're usually accustomed to only seeing up top here in the corners. Now, if they want to angle directly with that line, they can go ahead and do that. They don't need to necessarily use the corner buttons. They don't have to, but it is an additional option just in case it's easier for them to do that angulation in this area instead of doing it from the corner. That's our upgrades. We hope that you enjoy them. We hope that your students find this to be a little bit more sleek and compact in one area. And just please, as super users, remember to remind your students or your technologists that this upgrade does exist and that this is where they're going to find those questions. Because I'm sure some of people who have already started using this will immediately look at the top and they might miss this. So just make sure you point this out to them. And if you have any questions or need any help, please just reach out to us. Thanks so much, and we look forward to bringing you the next update soon.